This is probably one of the most important pieces of legislation going through. It is a marker in the sand that says from here forward we are going to put a focus on literacy and reading for our children, and we're gonna hone in on it till we get it.
How many children would this affect? I mean, for example, if this bill were in effect last year, how many kids would be held back?
About, if I remember correctly, around 4,000 children. So my expectation and anticipation, though, is that if that level was set, we would also see, because we would sunshine the data, a change in that percent and number even before this policy had what I would call teeth in it in the sense of implementation. So I would expect that number to drop because we're going to put a laser focus and we're going to coordinate and focus on our kindergarten, first, second, and third grade students to make sure they're ready.
Let's work on the assumption that it's 4,000. Is there enough money for remediation and schooling and retaining these kids and getting them back up to speed?
We have $225.5 million federal funds that could be spent on reading initiatives, and when it comes to professional development for our teachers, we receive over $20 million annually for professional development for our teachers, and we allocate $10.5 million from the state. So is it a tough fiscal time? Yes. Do we need to prioritize and put reading at the top of our list when it comes to our children? Absolutely, it's an imperative. So when it comes to priorities, we need to focus, and this is one of the areas we need to focus on.